This tiny world has its own weather system. Here's how I made it. What if I told you this sealed jar can breathe, rain, and thrive, without me touching it for months? Today, I'll show you how to build a self-sustaining terrarium that creates its own weather system. And yes, it's all backed by science. What is a terrarium? A terrarium is a closed glass container that houses plants, soil, and moisture. Inside, a natural water cycle forms. Evaporation from soil and leaves. Condensation on the glass walls. Precipitation as droplets fall back to the soil. Plants photosynthesize, producing oxygen and absorbing CO2, creating a balanced mini ecosystem. Step-by-step build. Step 1. Choose the right jar. Use a clear glass container with a tight lid, no airflow needed for a closed system. Step 2. Layer the base. Bottom layer, small pebbles for drainage. Middle layer, activated charcoal to prevent mold. Top layer, nutrient-rich potting soil. Step 3. Select the right plants. Choose humidity-loving, slow-growing plants like ferns, moss, Fittonia, peperomia. Step 4. Add water and light. Lightly mist the soil, don't overwater. Place the jar in bright, indirect sunlight, avoid direct heat. How the weather system works. As the sun warms the jar, water evaporates and condenses on the glass. Droplets form and fall, just like rain. The cycle repeats daily, keeping the ecosystem alive without external watering. This isn't just a jar, it's a living world that shows how nature balances itself. You can build one too, and watch your own tiny rainforest breathe and grow. Let me know in the comments, which plant would you put in your jar? If you found this video helpful and learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Dr. Greenie channel. We'll keep exploring the science behind plants and ecosystems, one tiny world at a time. Let's bring nature closer, together.